देखती थी, लड़कियों का अलग रिएक्शन। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस। भयंक सर ने ओके कर दिया, प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला तो वो दूसरे की ही गलती है, नतीजा निकलेगा आई डोंट नो। देयर आर सो मेनी एक्टर्स हु हैव गॉन बैक होम, कोई पॉलिसी नहीं है। डायरेक्टेड बाय हिमांशु मलिक।
So are you now socializing enough? Have you come out of your shell?
That's really not my nature. My nature as in, मतलब मैं काम के लिए socialize करूं या connections बनाऊं, that is not my nature. Like if I genuinely connect with you and if I strike a rapport and we become friends, that's great. But क्योंकि मुझे एक project चाहिए आपसे, तो मैं आपसे दोस्ती करूं, वो मेरा nature नहीं है. But अभी थोड़ा सा, I think I have become a little more open and socializing and meeting different people, and I think I'm looking at it from a different perspective now. So yeah, also I'm closer to the area where there's a lot of stuff that goes on, because earlier I was living somewhere else and it was very far away, so I was like in another world, but now I'm closer to where the industry functions, so that's why also it's easier for me.
Like as we are talking about this, you're also aware of all the nepotism debate that is going on right now, insider versus outsider. What are your takes on it? Is it difficult for outsiders to make a mark in the industry? What do you think?
Ankita, it's reached to a point where it's becoming messy. It's becoming vicious now.
I agree.
You know what? I mean, I have mixed feelings about this. It's not all black and white. It's a very gray subject. See, it's the nature of the industry. It is, it's a flawed industry, like most of the other industries. And, there's no 100% successful democracy, right? So, this system is also not 100% successful. It is a flawed system. But at the same time, I mean, right now what we're dealing with and the kind of things that are coming out, I don't think that we should reach to that point. क्योंकि यार सबको एक दूसरे के साथ काम करना है. If Correct. Certain people are coming out and calling out names and all that, we cannot totally trust those people also, because we have to also understand and learn to differentiate कि अगर मुझे project नहीं मिला या कुछ, it's also possible कि मैंने कोई गलती की होगी, right? ऐसा भी possible है. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगर मुझे project नहीं मिला तो वो दूसरे की ही गलती है.
Correct.
Right now it's coming to that point कि मुझे प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला तो सामने वाली की ही गलती है. It's not like that. It also depends on your attitude. If you're going to keep, bad mouthing people all the time, constantly, engaging with in a very bad way, in a very vicious way, then nobody would want to work with you anyway.
Correct.
Right? So all these, I don't want to say names, but who's talking about whom and, such things. So we have to also understand, yes, it is, these things exist, nepotism and groupism, and it exists quite deeply. And if I'm not a part of a group, it is very difficult for me to get work. Okay. By that, what I mean is, I will get chota mota kaam to mujhe milta hi rahega. But to reach a level where I can really start enjoying my work and really get those kind of characters which help me grow. For that, usually there has to be, a certain section of people that you have to be involved with and such things. So then it becomes easier. If you choose a path where you don't want to engage with people, I'm not saying कि आपको success मिलेगी ही नहीं. मिल सकती है, लेकिन उसमें आपको you have to work doubly hard and really wait for that luck factor. Yeah, right. For that luck to really, work for you.
Right.
But at the same time, it's very gray, very, very gray an area. अभी मतलब ऐसे भी लोग हैं who have made it, who have worked and they've made it, with web space coming in, also a lot of people are now becoming household names, and they have no family background, like they have no film family background. And I think we cannot take away completely the hard work that people within the industry who are from the industry do. You cannot take that away from them. Matlab saalon se they've been working hard, right? So it is unfair to also just take it away in a day. To even sustain that kind of stardom itself is a big thing. It's not easy, right? So, and I also feel that the media is also somewhere responsible in a bit, in a big way. To, I think the media can be a tiebreaker, right? So, if they see that there is some sort of unfair practice happening, they should also be able to, let it out, rather than being under that pressure of big productions or whatever.
Yeah,
because they're all interlinked, it's all interconnected, and it's pretty deep a web. So it's very difficult to point out only one thing. There are various things that are misaligned.
Right. But do you think after this debate that everything is out, things will change in the industry, or it will go on to be the same what it has always been? Do you think nepotism will stop?
See, actually, dekho, I'm neither supporting nepotism nor am I denying it. Okay, there's nothing right or wrong about nepotism. See, if tomorrow, if suppose, even if it's an outsider, अगर उनका भी कोई बड़ा नाम हो जाता है, कुछ they reach एक मुकाम हासिल हो जाता है, तो वो भी अपना ग्रुप के साथ ही खेलेंगे. This is the nature, this is the human nature. कि आप अपने लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहते हो. You can't say there's anything right or wrong about it. लेकिन अगर टैलेंट को बढ़ावा नहीं मिलता है और उसे पुल डाउन किया जाता है, even though they are consistently working, because कई बार ऐसा होता है where even if an actor has performed well, there is no mention from the critics or from the media. There is no mention. Why? Because that person is not with a certain group. क्योंकि अगर एक बंदा, even if he is an outsider, एक ग्रुप में है और सोशलाइज कर रहा है, तो आप पिक्चर्स में देखोगे, इंस्टाग्राम पे सबकी पिक्चर्स आ जाती हैं, आपको पता है कि कौन किसके साथ सोशलाइज कर रहा है, तो वो ऑलरेडी एक हाउस होल्ड नेम बनना शुरू कर देता है, तो मीडिया में अपने आप ही मेंशंस शुरू हो जाते हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई नहीं कर रहा है और फिर भी उसने अच्छा काम किया है, तो वो मेंशन मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. राइट. ये डिबेट जो शुरू हुआ, इट्स वेरी गुड. It's important for even the country to know what is it that we go through as actors. इसका कितना नतीजा निकलेगा, I don't know. I really don't know. क्योंकि इसका कोई स्ट्रक्चर निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है. कोई पॉलिसी I don't know how we can work this out. But what I really feel that we should focus on is making policies, creating better policies for actors and technicians, for crew, for making better work conditions, making better pay structure. Because इसमें क्या होगा, ऐसे में एक structure create कर सकते हैं, हम एक system create कर सकते हैं, because this is more tangible.
Right.
ये achievable है. लेकिन something which is more related to conscience, I don't know how we can relate, how we can create a better system to that. It has to come from within. If there are two people and I feel कि this is more talented, but this is more close to me, and then not so talented, but I yet choose this person. Now that is my conscience. Right. But if I feel let me be righteous and be fair, then I'll choose the talent.
Right.
But so then that's why I feel that we should start focusing on things that really can make a change in the way we work. आपको पता है कि किस तरह की conditions में हम काम करते हैं. They're so unhygienic places all the time. मतलब अगर आप बड़े एक्टर नहीं बनो, अगर आपका एक मुकाम हासिल नहीं हो, तो आपको किस तरीके के रूम्स मिलते हैं या किस तरीके के वर्क प्लेस मिलते हैं, how the hygiene is. So I think that is very important कि एक standard हो, within the entire industry there should be one standard that should be set. These are the work conditions, these are the pay structures. क्योंकि everybody is working hard यार. Everybody is working hard each day to survive, to grow, to create something better. And it's anyway very uncertain a profession. आप देख लो अभी lockdown में there are so many actors who have gone back home. कोई policy नहीं है. अगर ऐसा कोई situation हो, so government is always doing something for, you know, एक certain income के below अगर किसी का कोई आता है उस group में, so the government does something, but we are not even recognized. Right? So a lot of writers, a lot of directors who do not have a consistent source of income. Even me, I mean, I'm not doing a daily soap now. So how much am I going to be making unless and until I start working on something again? It's been how many months now? It's been over 5 months. We've all been at home not working. Exactly. So such policies need to come कि अगर ऐसी situation है, of course Sinta is trying to do whatever they can in ways possible, but I've also known कि there was a writer, he was very, very ill, and they had reached out to the association for some sort of help. Because इतने महीनों से किसी ने काम नहीं किया है, and then when you get stuck in a situation जहाँ पे आपको हॉस्पिटल के चक्कर काटने पड़े, तो obviously बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. But sadly there was no help, you know. So I think we need to focus on these things. Nepotism और ये सब जो चीजें हैं, इसका मुझे पता नहीं कि क्या स्ट्रक्चर निकल के आ सकता है कि how can we deal with it.
Right.
It is good that there is awareness about it, so maybe people's thinking might change. And it's also like a very grey subject, like I said. But these things can really be worked upon.
Yeah.
ये policy making, pay structures, making better work conditions, these can definitely be worked upon. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. So I think you should also start talking about these things, because it's high time we start building this, because we are a over 15,000 crore industry.
Right.
Imagine इतना पैसा अगर इस इंडस्ट्री के थ्रू बन रहा है, so of course we can do something better for the people who are working in it.
Correct. But always these kind of issues or topics or debates only happen when something very drastically, you know, takes place. Like right now, the nepotism debate is also due to some other reason that it has just come out.
Exactly.
So that is where we are lacking, or that is where we are failing as a whole. That's what I feel.
Yeah, surely. And also क्या हो रहा है कि a lot of people have their own personal vendetta, you know. तो जब जिसको opportunity मिल रही है, वो अपना उस हिसाब से, you know, trying to prove I am right and you're wrong and such things. But let's look at the situation a little more delicately. Obviously, if there is something wrong and the CBI needs to inquire, and all those legal procedures need to be carried out, which is fair. But at the same time, let's not malign the reputation of a lot of people who have actually also grown and worked hard and come up. That's also a bit unfair. So, like I said, it's a very mixed thing. मतलब इसका एकदम black and white you can't justify.
But I also feel that, you know, this debate has divided the industry into two halves right now.
Exactly. That is what is unfair. Because वो बहुत ही vicious point पे आ गया है कि अब तो मुझे लग रहा है कि वो कोई भी ये मतलब कोई भी अगर आउटसाइडर आएगा, आउटसाइडर और इनसाइडर ये शब्द ही नहीं होने चाहिए कायदे से तो, बट अगर कोई भी, तो पीपल माइट थिंक कि अब पता नहीं ये बंदा उठ के कल क्या बोले.
Exactly.
The biggest of the production houses have also employed people from outside the industry, right? Who are not from, so they are also giving employment to a lot of people. There are also a lot of writers who do not come from the filmy background, but they are working with the biggest of the production houses.
Yes.
So it is completely unfair to divide these things into just insider, outsider and all. Of course, the system itself is very flawed. And I really don't know what we can do to change it. So that's why I was only talking about what structurally changes we can make. We can at least start from there. क्योंकि वो changes होंगे तो शायद कहीं ना कहीं दूसरी changes भी हो सकते हैं.
Right. I agree.
और क्या social media, you know, everybody comes in. Everything is known by the people, so the people have their own reactions. आज कोई ट्रेंड कर रहा है, कल किसी ने कुछ उठ के बोला तो कल उसको सपोर्ट करने लग जाएंगे. तो you know, उसके वजह से भी within the industry एक बहुत वो हो रहा है, because
Yes.
Because honestly, the country doesn't know what truly goes on also, right? In the industry,
Correct.
there are all kinds of people. There is some groups, some this, but there are also genuine people who want to work with new talents. And I have, of course, gone through that. Like I've had all my directors who've been so encouraging to me. And I've worked with Dharma. I've also worked with Yash Raj, and I know how they are. So it's not that they do not encourage new talents at all. It's not like that. So there are all kinds of people.
Like you said, no, when an outsider comes, people are going to be worried कि ये क्या बोल देगा कल उठ के. Now even the actors and the other people from the industry are going to be very calculative while they talk. They won't be free when they are talking because कल उठ के कुछ point यहाँ का निकाल के वहाँ डाल दिया. That's going to be very difficult scenario for each and everyone in the industry, I feel. And it's going to be difficult for us as a journalist also in future when it comes to asking questions and the way they answer and take it to a different level.
Yeah, I think we should only support what is right. See, like I said, I do not completely agree with what, for example, Kangna, what she's saying and all the names that she's called. I do agree with her on certain grounds, but on certain grounds I don't agree with her. So it is a mix. You cannot judge one person or you cannot support one person completely also. Because some things are correct, but some things are not. मैं एकदम support नहीं कर सकती.
Right.
Because everybody is also coming from what experiences they have had. But you have to also understand कि experiences क्यों होते हैं. कभी-कभी अगर आपका attitude सही नहीं है, तो आपको ऐसे experiences होंगे. आपका भी attitude correct होना चाहिए.
Absolutely. It is a two-way street, yeah.
It's a two-way street, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So, exactly. Right. Well, on that note, I will finally, to end this conversation, I want to ask you what next for you.
I have a film called Chitrakoot, directed by Himanshu Malik. So when the theaters open up, hopefully that should release. And उसके अलावा भी तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर सकती हूँ. तो शायद एक आध महीने में जब चीजें और रोल होनी शुरू होंगी, that's when I'll be able to talk about it. But for now, it's just Chitrakoot. And Breathe, whoever's not watched it, please watch it.
Yeah. Chitrakoot, can you tell me more about your character in that? Is it going to be as surprising as
film? Yes, it is going to be, because again, I have a very different look and I play actually a baker in it. I'm, थोड़ा सा मैंने निकाल दिया उसका वो, मतलब I've given you a little bit of a spoiler there. But yeah, that's all I would like to share. It's a very beautiful, emotional story. It's a very, very real, very calm, very beautifully made film. And deals with people's emotions.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. We're all looking forward to firstly opening this lockdown and then going out and watching films in theaters once again. So well, on that note, thank you so much, Shruti. It was really
thank
nice
you so much. I'm sure I've spoken way too much, but I hope I made sense.
Yes. You did.
Yeah, so thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You take care. Hope to see you soon once the lockdown is over.
Yes, I hope so too. Take care of yourself and stay safe.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Bye.